This is a very bashed up Walthers 65-foot LPG tanker in HO scale, which I got really cheap because, well, you can see it's all in pieces. And it has some other problems as well, like this part here where it has the ladder coming down, and that doesn't actually correspond with this particular tank car, so this shouldn't actually be attached onto it, so I'm going to have to take that off. You can also see that some gloss blue has been added on here, which doesn't look that good either. Hopefully I'll be able to solve that just with spraying it with matte varnish, but it does give me the opportunity to repair this wagon and give it maybe a paint job, weather it up a bit, maybe give it some graffiti as well, which I like doing. I did do one of these tankers from Walthers just recently and it came out like this, which I think looked pretty good. So I'm hoping this one will also come out really well too. So that's the subject of this video. I'll get going by putting the cutting mat down and start taking this model apart. And while I'm doing that, I'll put on some music so you don't hear me whittering on or even cursing and swearing as things go wrong, as they invariably do. So enjoy the music as I try and repair this wagon.